Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is video to tell you some of the last dates for forms for some of the colleges. This is up to Jan 31st. So if you look at KG Somaya College, 18 January, they do accept CAT, XAT, CMAT, NMAT scores. So if you're interested, you can apply. Mumbai, good college, you can apply to it. I mean, normally the cutoff for CAT ranges from somewhere around 88 to 90 percentile. If you have a work X, then the cutoffs could go lower. Same in Nirma Ahmedabad, cutoffs could be around 80 percentile. It can go sometimes below 80, sometimes above 80, and they do accept CAT scores, so you can look at that. Your Soil Gurgaon, whose last date is 28th January. So these are last dates for the exam. Bhubaneswar 22nd January. IMI Delhi, the second round. First round already is over. Second round 28th January. Some colleges do openly a form again. So this is some of the cases. BITSO, uh, 28th January. IFMR Chennai, which is known for finance. 31st January is Tapni, which is in Manipal, Karnataka. Again, quite an old college, a decent college. Fees are a little high, just check it out. So when you look at these colleges, look at the fees if you are, look at the placements, and then you can decide whether you can take it up or not. Great Lakes was once known for a 1 year course. Now their 2 year course also is a decent option. The Chennai campus is the older campus, they have another campus, but the Chennai is more known as such. And apart from that, there's the IIT Mumbai, IIT Delhi, they have all last dates are 31st January. So if you're interested in applying to IIT, then do look at these last dates. And they do accept CAT scores. Right? I hope this helps. All the best.